Good morning, everybody. It is 4:45 Monday morning. I am going to come back at you with the start of bag number 2. This is the stage we got to on the Batman build. Oh no, early on the Batmobile build. Right, let's get cracking with bag number 2. It looks like I've got some very fancy light brick pieces. There is a lot of bits in this. A lot of bits. I'm going to keep all these together, I think. There's a whole bag of just the little black joining pieces. Oh yeah, like I said yesterday, I'm going to have 1 coffee a day. So this is a green tea, well, a pepperminty tea, just so I've got a hot drink to sit with. Ooh, let's do some building. Let's try and I want to do about half an hour before I have to leave to get some training in. But these are the light bricks. So you pull the little tab out. Oh, look. And the brick lights up. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. This is definitely going to be a good one to give away. Hello, Peggy. Let's get cracking. Let's get a good half an hour in of this and see how far we get. Right, so where does that go? By the looks of it, it goes in there. Yes. Okay. So is everybody looking forward to a new week? Kick some ass? Take some names? Or does everybody still wish it was the weekend? Oh, mixed reviews, I guess. But yeah, my alarm goes off at 4:30. Pretty much every single day, so I can get cracking. Apart from yesterday, of course, I got up at 6. I had a little bit of extra. I had a little bit of extra time in bed yesterday. It's quite handy keeping those in there, just because they're all the same. So this piece now is the bit that stops. Earlier on, these would pivot past each other, but I think this now will stop that. Oh, that's a big yawn. We'll see what this green tea is like. It's obviously, it's no coffee, but I'm going to save my coffee for when I'm sat with my cousin in a bit. I say in a bit later. about 7. I will look forward to that. What are you doing, cat? You padding? Pad, pad, pad. There's a lot to this one, but it's pretty good. 5 minutes, got loads of building time. Loads of building time. It's a great way to wake up and spend the morning. Oh. Keep yawning though, it's not a good sign, is it? No, it's not a good sign. Okay, I think I'm making what will be the bonnet lid, or the hood if you're American, bonnet if you are British, English, probably bonnet for most of the world, to be honest. How have I just noticed that? Right, okay, so that piece. Goes up the other way. Easy change, easy change. But needed to be noticed. Right, honest verdict. Not bad actually. It's okay. So hot drink. It's a hot drink. Right, got to make 2 of these. Oh, they've all come out of the bag. It's out the bag. I'm glad I noticed that. Okay, so maybe that isn't the bonnet lid. Maybe that is not. Oh, come on. Is that right? 3rd hole back. Yes, it is. Let's make another one of those. Oh, I apologise, I keep yawning. Itchy nose. Not bad actually, not too bad. Still wish it was a coffee, but we're going to do our best to do our best. So that goes tight to the other side of that, I think. Yep. Another one. There's one. There's another one. My hair and paste joke. Wasted. Right. Can't turn the page. That's not a good sign, is it? No, definitely not making the bonnet at all, because that doesn't move. That really doesn't move. Oh, fancy little colourful pieces. They should be easy to find at least. Yep. Oh. Lots of yawning going on. Not good. Time is it? 5:02. I'll try and do about another 15 minutes. Where does that go? I mean, okay. So that is what goes and lights the little brick up. Very sweet, very sweet. Pretty damn cool. Okay, same bits on the other side. What? Oh. Being blind, everybody. Being blind. Stupid boy. Right, cat. Throw down there, cat. Peg is like, give me some treats. I need my treats. Never stop. cool. Cool. Ooh. I have thoroughly enjoyed building all this. It's great fun. It really is. It's just like a new little venture, all for a good cause. Today I am definitely going to try and find good homes for all of this. Get in contact with the contacts that I have. This video might not come out until Tuesday though, only because I was putting up videos just, oh my god, look at that clump of cat hair. I was putting up videos all the time and doing a bit of research. You know, there's apparently optimal times to put videos up, which I did yesterday and it's had 4 views, so. Who really knows? I don't know. But if this can reach as many people as possible, that would be great. Maybe it will, maybe it won't. We just don't know yet, do we? You don't know till you try. You do not know until you try. Never stop. Sorry, I've got bloody Mick Jagger in my head this morning. Start me up. Where from? I have no idea. I have no idea where that song has come from today. Another little cog made. Just make sure I've got that all the right way round, because yesterday I had a tendency to put things on upside down, which wasn't very cool. Also not very helpful at all. What stage am I on? Oh, just hit stage 83. So we are getting through it. Not that I want to rush it, because it's enjoying. Oh, I can't speak again. It's enjoyable. It's not enjoying, because that's not even a thing, is it? Nope. That does not go that way. That goes that way. He says, yes it does. Oh, where's my water? I'll drink water, people. thought this might have gone onto this piece. Don't know what that attaches to yet, but right, I'll just leave that to sit there, I guess. I will just leave that to sit there. I'm still here, everybody. Just concentrating because it's early and I keep putting things together wrong. But I'm still here. I'm still here. Just try and sit properly. What are we gonna do? Do a few more minutes. Which way does that go? Okay, that's. What stage should we get to? Should we try and get to 100 before I stop? We'll try. We will try. Ooh, fancy little rod. A fancy little colourful rod. Going well. It's going well. Let's see if I can get to 100. Right, that gets turned over. Goes through there. How does... Okay, so that comes out the top. And then they pushing through the sides. And that should be stuck up a little bit from the top. It kind of is. Kind of is. Should that be higher? I suppose from the underside you could always put some little I mean, it's not finished yet, so it's not finished yet, is it? No. Right, let's not panic just yet. Right, it's 5:15. YouTube watchers. I am probably I'm probably gonna have to get myself together. Unfortunately. Oh, I've put that the wrong way round. I've put that the wrong way round. Yes, there we go. You're there, Peggy. What have we done? 26 minutes. Let's get this, I'm gonna get this piece on and then I will have to call it a day, unfortunately, because I've got stuff to do. I have definitely got stuff to do. I'm gonna put all this back in the bag because little cats like to be naughty and flick things around, don't you? They do. They'll tell you they don't, but they do. Right, that puts me at stage 98, so not bad. Not bad. Well, it all seems to fit. It all seems to look right. Okay, we're gonna leave it there. We're at a good stage. Doesn't look like I've done a lot, but I've done all that top bit and the lights. So I don't know if there was meant to be something under there to hold that up, but maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe that becomes a button that you can press. I don't know yet. I don't know. Right, we're on page 98. Use that as a bookmark. Put all the pieces back in the bag, get myself together, finish my herb tea. Finish that. And we'll see you all again for the next stage. The next one will probably be finishing off bag 2, and I will do my best to do that in the morning. Get up nice and early, get some build time in, and we can get this all posted. All right, have a great Monday, everybody.